Hello children, welcome back to Maths class. I am your Maths teacher Sandhya from Bharathidhasanar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 3rd standard Maths 4th lesson. So what is our 4th lesson name, my dears? Very good. Our 4th lesson name is Subtraction. What is our 4th lesson name? Our 4th lesson name is Subtraction. So what is meant by subtraction? You all know what is meant by subtraction, right? Subtraction means taking away some of the object from the collection and counting the remaining object of the collection, right? So for example, 5 minus 3. You all know what are terms related to subtraction. So 5 is called the what? Minuend, and 3 is called the subtrahend, and 5 minus 3, the answer 2 is called the difference. So that and all we have seen in last session itself. Now listen here, today we are going to see story problems. Okay, what we are going to see? Story problems. Listen here, our first problem is, a book has 245 pages. How many pages? 245 pages. Swati has read 46 pages. How many pages are still to be read? So total number of pages 245. Already Swati read பண்ணிட்டாங்க. எவ்வளோ pages na 46. They will ask the question, find how many pages are still to be read. So here we are going to do the subtraction, then we will find the answer. Listen here, what is our first step? Yes, we are going to write a total number of pages. Okay, write solution, total number of pages, total number of pages, total number of pages. Totally how many pages are there? Yes, 245 pages. So write here 245. Next, Swati has a read. Write here Swati has read. Swati read how many pages? Very good, totally 46 pages. The question is, find how many pages are still to be read. Find how many pages are still to be read. So now we are going to do the subtraction. Take first we will write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, and then we should write ones place value as 5, 10th place value 4, and 100th place value is 2. Then take 46. Now we are going to subtract this. So you all know, while subtracting time, first we need to take the ones place value. Here the ones place values are 5 and 6. Now tell me, Nasreen, 5 minus 6 is possible? Very good, my dear. 5 minus 6 is not possible. Why? Because 5 is a smaller number and 6 is the greater number. Now here we are going to do borrow. So 5 ones, it will change into 15 ones, and then 4 tens, it will change into 3 tens. Now you subtract 15 minus 6. Okay, just put 15 lines and strike out 6 lines. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And strike out how many lines? 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count. Remaining how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Write the answer 9. Next take 3 minus 4. Now tell me, Deepak, 3 minus 4 is possible? No, it is not possible. Why? Because 3 is the smaller number and 4 is the greater number. So here we are going to get borrow from the before number. Already we have 200 is there, right? So in this 200, it will change into 100. This 3 tens, it will change into 13 tens. So 13 minus 4. Take 13 lines or put 13 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 lines, and strike out how many lines? See here, we have 4. So strike out 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you count remaining how many lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally we have 9 lines. So write the answer 9 and then we have 1 is there. So write here 1. So what is the answer? 245 minus 46. 245 minus 46, the answer will be 199. The question is, how many pages are still to be read? How many pages are still to be read? So the answer 199 pages. 199 pages. Okay. So still to be read 199 pages. Totally we have 245 pages. Already she read 46 pages. Okay. So still to be read 199 pages. Next we'll see the another example. Listen here. And next question, there are 708 students in a classroom. So one classroom we have 708 students. How many students? 708 students are there. On a particular day 652 students were present. On a particular, some of the particular day 652 students were present. How many students were absent on that day? Okay, so here too we will do the subtraction, then we will get the answer. Now as usual, first step, write total number of students. Totally how many students are there, Nasreen? Very good. Totally we have 708 students are there. So write here total number of students. Solution. Total number of students. Number of students. So total number of students equal to 708. So write here 708. Next one is, on a particular day 652 students were present. So number of students present on a particular day. So write here number of students present on particular day. Present on particular day. Totally how many students are present? 652 students. So write here 652. So now you take 708 and then 652, then you will subtract. Now tell me, Deepak, what is the first step? We need to write the place values. Write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds. Here the ones place value is 8, tens place value is 0, hundredth place value is 7. And next we have 652 is there. Now tell me, Nasreen, what is the ones place value? Very good. The ones place value is 2, 5 and then 6. Now we will subtract this. Okay, so while subtracting time, first we will take the ones place value. Here the ones place values are 8 minus 2. So what is the answer? 8 minus 2? 8 minus 2, the answer is 6. And then take a 0 minus 5. So here 0 minus 5 possible means it is not possible. Why? Because 0 is a smaller number and 5 is a greater number. So you are going to get a before number itself borrow. So 0 it will change into 10 and then 7 it will change into 6. Now 10 minus 5, the answer is 5. Now 6 minus 6, the answer will be 0. So the question is, find how many students were absent on that day. So totally 56 students are absent. So write the answer. Number of absentees. Number of absentees. So totally 56 students were absent. So write here 56. Okay children. Next we have addition and subtraction together related story problem. Listen here. So next question, in your school there are 690 students. So first we need to write a total number of students equal to 690. Next we have 206 students come by car, and then 378 students are come by bus, and rest of them walk. Now we are going to find how many students are walk of the school. So how many students walk to school? So first we need to write total number of students, and next we need to write number of students come by car and number of students come by bus. So listen here. Solution. So first one is, in a school there are 690 students. Write a total number of students equal to 690. Total number of students (690). Total number of students equal to 690. Next you are going to write a number of students come by car and number of students come by bus. Write here number of students come by car Totally how many students are come by car? 206 students. So write here 206. And then next one, number of students come by bus. Number of students come by bus. Totally how many students? So 378 students are come by bus. So write here 378. Okay. So now we are going to find the work of the student. First we need to add these two numbers, car and the bus. Then we will get some answer, right? So take the answer and subtract the total number of students. So totally here we need to do two steps. Step 1 is addition and step 2 is subtraction. Step 1, do addition. Okay. So take car and a bus. Write ones, tens and then hundreds. So here the ones place value is 6, tens place value is 0 and hundredth place value is 2. Next take 8, 7, then 3. Now we are going to add this, right? So while adding time, first we will take the ones place value. We have the ones place values are 6 and 8. Now tell me Kiran, what is the answer 6 and 8? Very good my dear. Keep 6 in the mind, 8 in the finger. He said ma'am the answer is 14. Yes, 14 is the correct answer. So write 4, carry 1. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. Take a 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. This is step 1. Okay, step 1 addition. Now we are going to find how many students walk to school. How many students walk to school? So we added these two numbers, right? Car and then bus. Next we are going to write a total number of students. Totally how many students are there in the school? Yes, 690 students. So write a step 2. Step 2, and first number you will write total number of students. So write here ones, tens, hundreds. So total number of students is 690, 0, 9, 6. And then write a step 1 answer. What is the step 1 answer? Step 1 answer is 584. So write here 4, 8, then 5. Now you will subtract this. So you all know while subtracting time, first we will take the ones place value, tens place value and then hundredth place value. So listen here children, 0 minus 4 is possible? No, it is not possible, right? So what we want to do there? We need to do the borrow, right? So 0, it will change into 10 tens, and then this 9 tens, it will change into 8 tens. Now 10 minus 4. Show your 10 fingers and fold 4 fingers. Remaining how many fingers are there? Very good. 6 fingers are there. So the answer is 6. Next, we'll take 8 minus 8. The answer will be 0. And 6 minus 5. The answer will be 1. So our final answer is 106. So how many students walk to school? So number of students walk to school equal to 106. Write the answer. Number of students walk to school equal to number of students walk to school equal to so totally how many students? 106 students. So write the answer 106. What is the answer? 106. So totally we need to do 2 steps, that is called as addition and subtraction together. So addition step 1 and subtraction is step 2. So number of students walk to school is totally 106 students. Next we'll see the another example. Our next question, the sum of 3 numbers is 602. Then if 2 of them 215 and then 198, find the third number. Okay, so listen here. First we need to write the solution. The sum of 3 number. What is the sum of 3 numbers value? Yes, 602. Write here the sum of 3 numbers equal to 602. So we have if 2 of them are 215. So write a first number equal to 215 and then second number equal to 108. Second number equal to 198. So first number equal to 250 and second number equal to 198. So as usual, do step 1 and step 2. Step 1, do the addition. Take this 2 number, do the addition, and step 2 is subtraction. So step 2, the first number you will write the total numbers. Okay, the sum of 3 numbers 602, and finally step 2, the second number is, if you add means you will get one number, right? Write that number. Okay, so listen here. First step 1. So what is the step 1? Step 1 is do addition. Write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. Here the ones place value is 5, 1, 2, 8, 9, 1. So do addition. Take the ones place value. Now tell me, Nasriya, what is the answer? 5 in the mind, 8 in the finger. Very good. The answer is 13. So 13 equal 3, carry 1. Now 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11 equal 1, carry 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So we got the answer 413. What is the answer? 413. Now we are going to do step 2. Write a step 2 equal to as usual write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. Take the sum of 3 numbers. So what is the sum of 3 numbers? 602. What is the sum of 3 number? 602. Next you will write a step 1 answer. Here we got 413. Write 3, 1, 4. Now you will subtract this. So the step 1 is addition and step 2 is subtraction. Take a 2 minus 3, it is not possible, right? So here we are going to get borrow from before number. So 2 it will change into 12. So listen here children, already here we have 0 is there. So again you are going to get borrow from 100th place. In 100th place we have 600 and then 400. So in this 600 it will change into 500 and then the 0 tens it will change into first 10 tens. Then these 10 tens it will change into 9 tens. Okay. So now you take a 12 minus 3, the answer is 9 and 9 minus 1 is 8. Then what is the answer? 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is the answer is 1. So our final answer 189. So our third number is 189. So write the answer. Third number equal to third. Now answer, the third number is so what is the third number? The third number value is 189. So 189. Okay. Listen children, in this session you have learned addition and subtraction related story problem and then subtraction related story problem. Okay. So today itself we have completed 4th lesson subtraction. I hope everyone enjoyed this section. In this below description we have got a study material, question bank and then assessment work. So my dear students, do all the assessment and then as well as exercise problem also. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.